Howdy folks, Zach Smith, the Pest Dude, just doing some pro bono work for a friend. We got the Xcluder. This is the rodent control fill fabric. We like to use this, and I recommend it for when you're trying to close up gaps where the rodents are getting in. And what's really cool about this kit is it comes with this little tester tool here, and I'll tell you, it's a really funny looking tool. One side is small. If you can fit this probe into a hole, a mouse can fit through that hole, believe it or not. And on this side is for rats. So if you can fit this into a hole, a rat can fit in the hole. If it fit like that under a doorway, the rat can fit under the doorway. This is the minimum compressible size of a rodent. Okay, so we use this to check out some spots, and I'm going to show you here in a second where we were going to patch up a hole that maybe mice can get in, maybe rats can get in. So stay tuned, check it out. All right, so we're back at that spot here where the customer, or actually it's just a friend of mine, but we'll say customer because, you know, I'm a pro, but we're doing this for free. You know, this is a hole, I don't think a rat's getting in here, but a rat could. And so part of rodent exclusion is getting rid of all the locations where a rat could get in, or a mouse. And that allows you to take this around your whole home, and you test all these spots, and then you can use the scissors that come in the kit. I just like to rip off pieces this big or as appropriate. You want to jam it in there. You can put it in there with some adhesive. You can even use this to stuff it in. The idea is that you stuff it in super tight so that no rodent can pull it out. Okay? It's pretty much gone down in there. Tidy that up. And if you wanted to put some adhesive on there, you could. You could use some of the spray adhesive, the foam, spray foam. That's a good adhesive, or liquid nails, or any other indoor-outdoor construction grade adhesive. But that's all you need to do. We've got it under control. We use the Xcluder. It's a great product, pro grade. We use this all the time at work. But when you're just out helping out around your own home, your friend's home, and you want to stop the rodents from getting in and out, like in holes like that, this is the roll that comes in the package. This stuff's sharp, by the way. The gloves are important. This isn't just steel wool. It's like stainless steel wool with like razor sharp strands in there to stop the rodents from chewing. Comes with these handy all-purpose scissors, but I really like that it comes with this little tester tool. You, the kids, can get out there and check out any place you can stick this and have a lot of fun. If this will fit under your door, look at better door sweeps. That's a lot of places rodents get in. They get in right under the front door. All right, I'm Zach Smith, the Pest Dude. And any questions you got, hit me up. I'm here to help out and stop the worry, stop the pests, and save you a ton of money.